Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we are diving back into our Shop My Stash series, which I am so excited about. So this is a collaboration that I do with my dear friend Anya Stamper, and it is a series. So we have been doing this previously once a week, and we took a little bit of a break, but we are back, we are hitting it, and we are ready to go. So in this video we will be using our highest priced makeup items. Oh. Now this video is in no shape or form meant to be bragging or showing off or anything like that. Everyone has their vices, and for Anya and I, we love makeup. That is our hobby, that is our passion, and that is what we choose to do with our spare time. So in this video, this is meant to just be fun and just to share some love to those forgotten pieces of makeup in our collection. But in this video, we are specifically looking at the highest priced ticket items in our collection. Now these are not the highest priced tickets like out there in the makeup world, because there's a lot. So basically in our collection, what is the highest price? Use that item. You get it? I get it. So I'm really excited to get this started, and if you are interested to see what type of items I have in my collection that are considered for myself the high ticket items, then stay tuned and let's get started. So like I said in the beginning, we are going to be using our high ticket items in our makeup collection, but please stay tuned for our next video where we'll be using our lower end makeup, so more drugstore related type of makeup items. So we're going to do this in like a two-part. So today is all about those high priced items. And the first thing I'll be diving into is the Juice Beauty by the Organic Solutions, and this is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment, and I got this in a BoxyCharm, but it is $50 for 0.5 fluid ounces, so I definitely consider this as a high ticket item. So what I'm going to do is do a little pump and apply this under my eye. Okay, and the next item I'll be using for my skincare that is a high ticket item in my collection is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and I use this as a moisturizer in the morning. I feel like it adds such great moisture and dewiness, and it just adds to the brightness of my skin, so I really love applying this. Okay, so my eyebrows are on and I think I'm ready for makeup, but before we get started, let's talk a little bit about Anya. So Anya has her own YouTube channel and Instagram, and I will leave a link to her channel in the iCards and in the description box, but Anya's channel is just so well-rounded. She does amazing videos using new palettes, old palettes. She does a lot of collaborations with other channels, showing other channels some love, and also she is amazing at colorful looks and has been diving into some neutral looks as well. So she does product reviews, mainly at palettes. She's also doing skincare on her channel as well, and it shows you a little bit of her dogs, which I absolutely love. So if you love makeup, beauty, and just having a good variety on a channel, then please go check her out because she is worth the view. So the first two palettes that I chose are the Natasha Denona palettes. So this one right here is the Sunset palette, and this is the Lila or Lila palette. So I got the Sunset palette because back in the day I was more into my neutral shades, and I really loved the color layout of this palette. And then I got the, I'm gonna say the Lila palette because of the accents of purple. Purple is one of my favorite eyeshadow shades, purple, green, and blue. So yeah, this palette was like a must-have. And so yeah, so I have both of the Natasha Denona palettes. I don't use them as much as I should. Okay, so the next palette that I'm pulling out for this video is the Marc Jacobs About Last Night eyeshadow palette. Now this was a holiday release, and I'm not sure which holiday or which year I got this, but it has been in my collection for some time. And what really drew me to this palette, which is so sad there was one shade, but of course it was this gold shade up here, and I just haven't used this as much, so I thought I should bring it out. I should use it for this video. So we'll also be diving into the Marc Jacobs palette. Okay, so these are the 3 hot ticket items in my collection. So let's zoom in and create an eye look. So to prep my eyes for eyeshadow, I'll be using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original and blending it out with my fingers. So to start this look, I'll be using the Marc Jacobs palette and going for one of the darker shades in the palette and using the Morphe M322 brush to apply. And then switching to a Morphe E22 brush, I'm going to buff out this color. Next, diving into the Lila palette from Natasha Denona, I'll be picking up the color Amara, and I'll be using the Sigma Tapered Blending E40 brush and applying that to help buff out the Marc Jacobs shade even more. And going back into the Lila palette, I'll be diving into Pure Pure and using my finger to apply that onto my lid. Next, diving into the Sunset palette by Natasha Denona, I'll be using Sun Dazed and using the Sephora Pro Flat Concealer number 76 brush. And for lashes today, I'll be using the Spooky Babe Cosmetic lashes in the style Witchy Vibes with some Duo Glue. Okay, so the eyes are pretty much done. Let's zoom out and do our base makeup. So I'm going to prime my face for foundation, and I'm using the Farasali Skin Tune and Blur Face Primer. This is such a good primer as far as blurring out my pores, but it is a little bit on the pricey side. And also what I thought would be really cool to do is to add in my higher end brushes. So I have 2 companies. The first is Makeup Forever brushes. These are my absolute top favorite high-end brushes. The bristles are so soft, the makeup application is so easy, and I love the aesthetic of like the wood handles. So if you guys want me to do like a review over my like maybe top favorite brushes, let me know, but I'll let you know right now, it's going to be Makeup Forever. And yeah, I just love this brush set, but they are a little bit on the pricey side. So what I have been doing is just saving up money and buying one brush at a time and not like the whole set at once. And my next brush set would be these, and these are the Artis brushes. They kind of look like spoons a little bit. So these were a Christmas gift from my mom a long time ago, but I absolutely love them. They are very like different, you know, but I love the fact that the bristles are so soft, and for foundation I can get mine done so quickly. So I love these brushes, and it comes with a variety of eye brushes as well. Okay, so let's dive into foundation, and today I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation, and I'm in the shade 520W. This is actually a brand new. I just purchased this because I wanted to try it, but this makes it the highest priced foundation in my collection. And to apply the foundation, I'll be using the Artis Oval 8 brush, which I love because of the size, and it really gets my foundation done in like no time at all. Awesome. I just love just the seamless application using these oval brushes. They work so well. I just wish they weren't so pricey, but oh my gosh, I absolutely love putting on foundation with this brush. And for concealer, we'll be using the Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm in the shade Deep. And to blend out the concealer, I'll be using the Oval number 6 brush. And to set the concealer, I'll be diving into the Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm in the shade Medium Deep. So diving into the Makeup Forever brushes, the first one I'm using, this is the 128. It's a mixture of straight and wavy hairs, and I'm gonna use this to brush away the powder. This is so soft. Oh my gosh, I love these brushes so much. Okay, so let's go into blush next, and I went ahead and grabbed one of my NARS blushes, and this is in the shade Imputiq. So this is a pinkish toned blush, and I thought it would go really well with my eye look. And for my blush brush, I'll be using the Makeup Forever, and this is brush number 160, and it's a mixture of straight and wavy hairs. Now, they pick up a lot of product. These brushes are so good at picking up product, it scares me. So let's hope I'm not gonna look like a clown. I just love my pinky little cheeks. They're so cute. And next we're going to dive into highlight. So this is the Bobbi Brown Compact, and it is called the Brightening Brick in Cranberry. And also going back in with another Makeup Forever brush. This is number 140, and this has wavy hairs. So this compact I absolutely love because it has pops of color. So you can also use it as a blush. So for today, I'm just going to be focusing on the top row and using that as a highlight. Okay, so let's go ahead and set everything, and I'll be using the Farasali Rose Gold Skin Mist, and I absolutely love this. And to add a little topper to this highlight, we'll be going into the Bobbi Brown. This is another highlight compact, and this is called Pink Glow, and using the same Makeup Forever brush. All right, so let's go ahead and finish off our face with our lip product. And for my lips, I'll be doing a duo of the YSL lipstick and the Marc Jacobs lip gloss. So for the lipstick, this is the YSL Rouge Pure Couture, and this is the number 28 lipstick. And it's more of a deep pink color, so I thought again it would go really good with my eye look today. It is such a soft lipstick. This is probably my softest lipstick in my collection, and oh yeah, I can feel the price, if that makes sense. Like, this feels expensive. This lipstick just glides on like butter. It is so smooth and comfortable. I absolutely love it. Love it. Would I buy more? No. They're way too expensive for a lipstick, but I love the feeling of them. So I also wanted to dive into one of my higher end lip glosses. So this is the Marc Jacobs Lip Lacquer, and it's in the shade Pink Steam. It is one of my top favorite lip glosses. I have one other one, which is more of a nude. I can't remember the name, but out of these two, I really don't need another Marc Jacobs lip gloss because I love these. Oh. So pretty. And what I really like about the Marc Jacobs lip glosses is that they're not sticky, they're not heavy, and they really give you such a high shine. Absolutely love it. Worth the price, but still pretty pricey for a lip gloss. Okay, so that completes this video as far as using all of the high-end makeup that is in my collection, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see what Anya pulled out of her collection and how her look turned out. I know it's going to be fabulous, so I will be heading over to her channel and I'll catch you guys in her comments. So yeah, I really do like this look, and this video just helped me remember why I spent money on these items. Now, again, these items I would definitely say were a splurge moment, but it is fun to just treat yourself every once in a while. So I'm so happy that I got to use these items again and just have that moment. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by, spending a moment with me, and if you're returning, thank you for all the continual love and support. I really do appreciate every single one of you. So if you like this video, please leave it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified when I post new content. So that is all I have, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.